Want to have a nice warm cup of milk with a batch of homemade cookies as a midnight snack? Well, you came to the right person. Since I was 9, I always loved cooking and helping my mom in the kitchen so much that my mom bought me a cooking set on my own. I still use it to this day, and until this day. I'm a professional chef while making delicious cookies to your satisfaction. You will need to prepare these following ingredients to make this tasty treat: 1 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 eggs, 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 to 3 cups of chocolate chips. So let's get baking. But make sure to wash your hands before you start making the cookie dough. Also, while you're preparing the ingredients, get out your mixer, a wooden spoon, parchment paper, and a cookie sheet. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, put all the dry ingredients, sugar, flour, salt, baking soda, and the chocolate chips into the mixer. With the wooden spoon, slowly mix the dry ingredients together. Then add in the wet ingredients: butter, vanilla extract, and the eggs. Turn on the mixer to the lowest level, increasing as you go. Make sure that there is no flour left behind and everything is mixed thoroughly. Next, scrape the mixture onto a piece of parchment paper. I recommend putting on gloves after that step. Tear small pieces of dough and put it on the paper. Tear small pieces of dough and put it on the paper. Then roll the small pieces of dough into small balls with your hands, placing it onto the cookie sheet, which has a piece of parchment paper on it. Try to place the dough about 2 inches away from each other to reduce the chances of it sticking. After you are finished placing the dough onto the cookie sheet, put the tray into the middle rack of the oven. Set the timer to let it bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until it's light brown. While the cookies are baking, start cleaning up your area with a wet paper towel. When the timer goes off, When the timer goes off, turn off the oven and take a toothpick and insert it into one of the cookies to make sure it bakes correctly. If the toothpick comes out clean, then it is ready. If not, let the cookie sit in the oven for a few more minutes. Take out the cookie sheet from the oven using mittens. Place the hot cookie sheet in an unreachable area and let it cool off. Finish cleaning up after the cookies have cooled down. If the cookies have cooled off a bit, pour yourself a glass of cold milk and sit down with a homemade cookie. Today I taught you how to make a batch of chocolate chip cookies. With the right ingredients and timing, you can have a tasty midnight snack.